guys, my name's Alexis, and if you can't tell already, I'm sitting on my bedroom floor. I don't usually sit on my bedroom floor, but there's a ice storm happening outside right now, and you can hear the rain hit my window probably, and I just thought if I'm closer to the ground you might not be able to hear it versus if I'm standing up. So today's video is going to be basically how you can earn free makeup, free products, even if you're not a YouTuber. So there's this great little app called Influencer, so right here, which will send you free makeup products, body care products, food products, clothing products, many different sorts of products to review for them. So basically this company gets products from places like Revlon, CoverGirl, Too Faced, Beauty Blender, Milk Makeup, Glossier, like all those big makeup brands. Then they get fruit brands like French, I can't remember the rest of the food brands, that's the latest one I've seen. Clothing brands like Garage, body care products like Dove, Being by Sanctuary, Flawless, and 15, like those kind of companies, to give them products to send out to influencers like me or like you to review and tell people what's your thoughts on it. So Influencer I've been using for I think almost a year now, and I ended up having to get 3 different boxes. So I've got one that is a radiance box, so it had 5 different products in it. 4 different products in it. I said 5 because one was a dual. I got from Revlon, which was a mascara, and one from CoverGirl. This is not CoverGirl box. I apparently threw out my CoverGirl box. This is Kylie Cosmetics box, but it was just something too old. Where I got a lipstick and a foundation. So the way this app works is basically you have an impact score and badges. So impact score depends on your YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Tumblr, if you have a blog. Let me see. I think there's LinkedIn, even though most people don't use that. So Facebook, Foursquare, and Blogger and WordPress. So basically on this app you connect all your social medias. They give you overall score. So right now I have a high impact score of 2,553. So if you have such a high score, you're more likely to get products just based on how active you're in social media. You don't have to have a great amount of followers. Like I don't have many followers on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or even YouTube. I have a decent amount. So you just basically have to be very active on social media, post reviews and stuff. Like they'll see that you post makeup and they'll send you makeup things, and yeah. Another way is by badges. So I have 18 badges and they go from levels and stuff. So I have level like 1 likable, but level 3, no, I have level 1 reviewer but level 3 likable. So basically that means that I don't review a lot of products, but I'll answer people's questions on the app. I'll like people's photos and stuff like that. So that's 2 ways that you can earn these boxes on the app. So they like it more if you're very active on the app, so like answering the questions, making storyboards of products you want, or products you like, or stuff like that, like on Pinterest where they have storyboards. What else? They also have hashtag blank, so I think once a month they have hashtag like Halloween, or hashtag like in October Halloween. I think this month is hashtag Festival Frenzy because Coachella's happening. So basically with those things, that's another way you can earn boxes, is they'll have little contests where you post your best festival makeup or your best Halloween makeup or your best Easter makeup, like stuff like that, and you have a chance to earn a mega box, sorry, where you can get anywhere from 5 to like 15 products in this giant box, and these are completely all free. Don't have to pay for shipping, nothing like that. They just send it to you, and yeah. So those are 3 ways on the like three ways on the app that you can earn products. And then when you will receive a product, so like my latest one was a radiance box. So if you had me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, or even Snapchat, I post a lot about that because they will ask you to review the product, follow on social media, post on Facebook, post on Snapchat, all these things, so people will see, okay, this person likes this product, so maybe I should buy it. So even what product was it? I think it was one of the products I posted that people replied and said, does this actually work? I think with the eye mask, because a lot of people don't use eye mask, but truly the eye mask was a great thing for me. And another thing is you can learn if products aren't working like they're supposed to. So like the Clean and Clear triple action mats, I said it made my skin really tight, and I thought that was completely normal, but Clean and Clear contacted me saying that's not normal, please give us more information how you felt and all that stuff. And they said, we're sorry about that, we'll send you more products just as like I'm sorry. So it's very interesting for companies to learn about it this way, because a lot of people will go online and review products. So when you get your product, you do all these reviews and stuff, and you basically get scored on your reviews and your postings and all that stuff. So if you get a really good score, and you earn all these badges from these companies, so they'll ask you to do 3 or 4 things, and if you do the 3 or 4 things, you get a badge. You will be able to win a mega box. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say. And if you win one of those, it'll be so many products that you can't do with, and I think only 10 people get it out of the whole campaign. So that's another way you can win more makeup. And yeah, so if you want to sign up for the app, I'll leave a link down in the description so you can click it and sign up. And yeah, it's a really great app to use. It's something that only takes 10 minutes out of your day. Just sit there on the app, go review some products, go like some people's photos and stuff like that. Nothing different than Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or any of those not Snapchat, I meant Twitter, any of those other apps. And just by doing that, you can earn free makeup, free food products, free clothing items, free body washes, and all that stuff. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the description or follow my social medias and DM me or something like that. And yeah, so sign up. It's really, you're getting free products just to review them and all that stuff, so worth a try. So bye guys.